2025 Kenworth T 2000. Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle statement. Designed for those who seek both adventure and comfort, this powerhouse combines the strength of a heavy-duty truck with the elegance of a luxury motorhome. Whether you're a road warrior, a weekend traveler, or a full-time RV enthusiast, the T2000 is built to impress. Under the hood, it houses a high-performance 15-liter turbo diesel engine, capable of delivering tremendous torque and reliability. Whether you're towing, climbing steep roads, or cruising on the highway, this engine handles it all with ease. The automatic 12-speed transmission ensures smooth gear shifts, while advanced fuel management systems provide surprisingly efficient mileage for a rig this size. Step inside, and you're greeted by a stunning interior that rivals many luxury apartments. The cabin features premium leather recliners, a full-sized convertible sofa, and a multi-zone climate control system that keeps you comfortable in every season. The kitchen is equipped with a microwave, induction cooktop, full-sized fridge, marble countertops, and soft close cabinets that scream elegance. There's even a built-in coffee maker and a touchscreen, control panel for lighting, water, and power. In the rear, you'll find a private bedroom with a queen-size memory foam bed, overhead storage, reading lights, and blackout shades for restful nights. The bathroom doesn't disappoint either, offering a walk-in shower with glass doors, a porcelain toilet, and a modern vanity with LED lighting. The driver's cockpit is loaded with tech: a 15-inch digital touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a smart navigation system, and a 360-degree camera system make driving this beast feel effortless. Adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and blind spot detection ensure your safety on the road. On the outside, the 2025 T2000 features a sleek, aerodynamic design, LED lighting, slide-out expansions for extra space, and a power retractable awning with integrated lighting. The undercarriage is equipped with multiple storage compartments, a diesel generator, and solar panels mounted on the roof for off-grid capabilities. This motorhome isn't just built for the highway. It's ready for desert roads, mountain passes, and remote destinations. With satellite internet, dual water tanks, and a 4-season insulation package, the Kenworth T2000 is a home you can take anywhere. The 2025 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome delivers rugged durability, cutting-edge technology, and a premium lifestyle experience. Whether you're traveling with family or solo, this machine gives you freedom like never before. If you're dreaming of turning the open road into your home, the Kenworth T2000 is ready to make that dream a reality. This is Honest Auto Wheels. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more incredible reviews on the world's most powerful and luxurious vehicles.